Well, welcome back, everybody. Number one, thanks for getting me to 1,000 subs. That's pretty cool. So this is the first video I've recorded since I hit 1,000, so I appreciate that. Keep them coming. But today, I've been wanting something for Christmas and birthdays and everything like that, and I haven't been able to get it, and my kids, they didn't want to get it for me, I guess, because they don't love me very much, but that's beside the point. I was asked to come over and help somebody do a project, and when I got over there, I said, well, I could certainly do that project, but, you know, my tractor with the bucket on it doesn't dig very well, so they asked me what I needed to make it dig well, and I told them, and they said, we can do that. So I ended up with they went down to my local Kubota dealer and they got me a Piranha Tooth Bar for my tractor. So we're going to install that today, and then the next video will be me working over at their place. And so I'm kind of calling them my very first sponsors. They're Alaska Dream Adventures. They do kayak adventures around Alaska, and it's pretty cool. So we'll try to highlight them just a bit and let them know how much we appreciate it. But here we go. We're going to do the install. Should be pretty straightforward. That thing's sharp, man. It is sharp.
And it looks sharp, too.
Yes. What is it they say? Every girl crazy about a sharp-dressed man. Well, I don't know if they say it, but I know ZZ Top says that.
That's right.
All right. So it says, first thing you're supposed to do is place it on there, and then you're supposed to take a block of wood, and you're supposed to beat that thing back there. So that's what we're going to try. Try to do it without cutting my fingers off. All right. Now we'll put a clamp on there. That's what it says you're supposed to do. Of course, I got my clamp all unwound here, so that's gonna.
Nothing worse than a cattywampus clamp.
Cattywampus is the official term for that, I think.
Clampy wampus.
So we'll clamp that side down. That'll keep that where it is, and press that up against the blade. And come over here. I'm going to beat this side with a hammer.
In the words of Bob Ross, you gotta beat the devil out of it.
Beat the devil out of it, Bob Ross. That's what Bob Ross said. So I'm going to clamp this one. These are not the most ideal clamps, I don't think. Yeah, let's see. There we go. Clamp that down on there. That is pushed way back on there, so now I'm just going to take a couple of these clamps, I think. Squeeze the middle up. Because you want that thing tight against your factory blade. Alright, so let me see. Got that part done, now let's look at step 2. Step 2. Carefully lift the toolbar. Center of the tooth bar on the bucket. Seat unit on the cutting edge with a wooden block, dead blow hammer. Okay. Use clamps in the tooth bar. Use a felt tip pen or similar. Mark the elongated holes on the inside of the bucket. Okay, let me come over here. Now I'm going to show you. The elongated holes. And I do have a pen here. So let's mark those. Got that one marked. I'll mark the other side. There we go.
Alrighty.
Got the stickers. They give you these little tiny stickers here. I don't know if you guys can see those. They're just little markers that you're supposed to put on here. And this is going to make it, and you put them like an 1/8 inch from the end. You know what? I don't have something else too.
What don't you got?
My center punch.
Oh.
But I'll get that here in a minute. And
Do you know where it is? I can go look for it.
no. So there we go. Well, I can't find my center punch, so I'm going to have to just try to keep this drill bit right where it needs to be. So we're going to give it a whirl. Here we go. Well, that worked pretty good.
Nice.
That wasn't so bad.
Alright, now give me a new tattoo.
All right.
Can you make it look like a bullet hole?
Yeah, I can. I can make it look like a bullet hole. There we go. All right. Now, for those of you that watched me mount my bolt-on hooks, everybody went on and on and on about how I needed a step bit. Well, lucky for me, when you buy one of these
Piranah
tooth bars,
Yep.
you have the option of getting a step bit. So I got one now. So we're gonna utilize it. Here we go. There it is.
That's fancy.
It is fancy. Nothing but the fanciest stuff here. I'll tell you that. My drill's probably gonna run out of juice. Well, there it is.
Perfect.
It is perfect. So, now we are ready to put this on there and bolt it down. It's going to be magical.
Just like that.
I'll let the boy pick it up. Yeah.
Alrighty.
He prefers the term young man. Down below.
Oh yes. Oh yes. This thing's always a shot. There we go. We have to hit it again?
Well, not if once I get the bolts in there. All right. So they provide you with all the hardware, the nuts, the bolts, lock washers. So you need a lock washer and two big washers.
Two big ones.
Yep, and you put one of the big washers on the outside through the bolt,
Okay.
like that. That's it. Stick it in the hole.
Old bolt hole, that's what they called me in high school.
Old bolt hole?
Yep.
So you might have to move the bar a little to make it tap it down. Or take the hammer down and just tap the top of that. Woo! There we go.
And then you need your lock washer.
No, then we need the flat washer again.
Oh, I see.
Then the lock washer.
I see.
And then it's going to be really tight.
See that?
Oh, don't be beating on the bolt.
I ain't beating on the bolt. I'm beating on the thing to make the.
Oh, well. All right, so now we went ahead and we tightened the other side. and we didn't figure you needed to watch us do that, put bolts in. So we'll go ahead and tighten this side, and then we'll show you what we got when we're all done. All right. They don't give you too much extra bolt for sure. It's right there, I'll tell you. Matter of fact, that concerns me just a little bit. So I'm going to do something I probably shouldn't do. I'm going to put a little Loctite on this. Just because I don't like the lack of length of bolt. So, of course, I'll probably regret that when I go to try to take it off. I think those are grade 5 bolts. I don't know what the torque spec is on those, but I have a
Torque spectrometer.
that's right, a torque spectrometer. That's what they call those things. That's what they called me in high school.
A sport tachometer. Torque
Spectrometer.
spectrometer. That's the one.
Yeah, that's what they called me. During sporting events, they'd go, "Hey, there's sport pectometer."
Pectometer.
There it is. All right, so now my adjustable wrench or crescent wrench is stuck.
Hit it with a hammer.
So I suspect, but Hank Hamilton, he would like that. Hank's all about the adjustable wrench. Yeah.
Just here.
Let me get it so. Of course, now I can't even move the damn thing.
Just
All right.
hit it this way and then
All right.
nope, that didn't work.
Nope, that didn't work. There it is.
Just gotta have a man to do it.
All right. So, let's show you what we got here. Little zoom right in. That's going to be a digging machine now, man. I'm kind of digging it. So, all right. Okay, guys, so that was not a how-to video by any stretch, so, but it is a video, so I think that's all you can ask for when you're.
I think they call these kind of videos, "We done did it."
Yeah, we done did it, and it's done. And I may be slow, but I do poor work, so let's just keep that in mind. So until next time, click the like button, click subscribe, and tell all your friends. See ya.